Picture this. Every 60 seconds, somewhere in the world, 75 jars of Nutella disappear from shelves. That's more than one jar every single second, around the clock, never stopping. Right now, as you're watching this, 3 more jars just got sold. But here's what nobody tells you about that smooth, addictive spread you're putting on your toast. The recipe is locked away like a state secret, known by fewer people than those who have access to nuclear launch codes. And the process that creates it? It's an industrial ballet where one wrong move, 1 degree too hot, 1 second too long, can turn millions of dollars worth of ingredients into expensive waste. Today, we're taking you inside the hidden world of Nutella production, where Italian engineering meets industrial precision on a scale that will blow your mind. We'll show you how a wartime shortage in the 1940s accidentally created a global obsession, how Turkish hazelnuts become liquid gold, and why a single temperature mistake can destroy an entire batch worth more than most people make in a year. You're about to see the real story behind those innocent-looking jars, the invisible threats that lurk at every step, and the shocking numbers that prove Nutella isn't just a spread. It's a manufacturing empire that never sleeps. Here's something that will change how you see that jar forever. Nutella wasn't supposed to exist. In 1940s Italy, chocolate was so scarce during World War II that a baker named Pietro Ferrero faced a choice: close his shop or get creative. He mixed what little cocoa he had with local hazelnuts, creating a paste he could stretch into portions. That desperate wartime hack? It accidentally solved a problem no one knew existed. The combination created a flavor profile that hits 3 different pleasure centers in your brain simultaneously, something pure chocolate or pure nuts could never achieve alone. What started as Ferrero's survival strategy in a small Italian town has evolved into something far more complex. Today's Nutella production spans 11 factories across 4 continents, each one a testament to precision engineering. But the real magic isn't in the scale. It's in the invisible choreography that happens inside those facilities. Every jar that reaches your local store has survived a gauntlet of processes where the margin for error is measured in fractions of degrees in seconds. The transformation from raw ingredients to finished product is a journey through controlled chaos. The first critical point happens before production even begins: ingredient selection. Hazelnuts must come from specific regions, primarily Turkey and Italy, where soil conditions and climate create the exact oil content needed. But here's the problem. Hazelnuts are agricultural products, which means every batch is different. Moisture levels fluctuate. Oil content varies. Sugar crystallization changes with humidity. A single shipment of hazelnuts that's even 2 percentage points off in oil content can throw off the entire production line for days. Quality control teams reject entire truckloads, worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, because they know what happens next. When acceptable hazelnuts finally enter the facility, they face 2 critical checkpoints before they're allowed near the production line. First checkpoint, the moisture test. Hazelnuts carrying too much water will create steam during roasting, turning the carefully controlled heating process into a chaotic mess. Second checkpoint, the contamination scan. Industrial X-ray machines examine every single nut, looking for stones, metal fragments, or organic contaminants that could destroy expensive grinding equipment downstream. Here's what's shocking. Approximately 3% of every hazelnut shipment gets rejected at these checkpoints. That's millions of dollars worth of raw materials that never make it past the entrance, because the alternative is worse: contaminated Nutella reaching consumers and triggering global recalls. Now comes the transformation that turns ordinary nuts into the foundation of Nutella, the roasting process. Industrial roasters the size of shipping containers heat hazelnuts to exactly 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Not 355, not 357. This isn't cooking. It's precision chemistry. At this exact temperature, the Maillard reaction occurs, creating over 600 different flavor compounds that give Nutella its distinctive taste. The hazelnuts tumble in these massive drums for exactly 23 minutes while sensors monitor temperature fluctuations down to half a degree. What emerges looks completely different. The skins have loosened, the interior has transformed from white to golden brown, and the oils have been activated in ways that will determine the final product's texture months later. The roasted hazelnuts now enter the most dangerous phase of production: skin removal and grinding. Cooling systems drop the temperature rapidly to exactly 104 degrees Fahrenheit, because the skins will only separate properly within a narrow temperature window. Vibrating screens and powerful air currents strip away the bitter skins, leaving behind pure hazelnut meat. But here's where things get critical: the grinding process. Industrial mills crush these nuts into paste using stones that rotate at precisely 1,847 RPM. Too slow, and the paste becomes chunky. Too fast, and friction generates heat that destroys those carefully created flavor compounds. The grinding stones themselves cost $50,000 each and must be replaced every 6 months because even microscopic wear changes the particle size distribution. Each grinding chamber processes 2,000 pounds of hazelnuts per hour, and if the temperature rises even 3 degrees above optimal, the entire batch, worth $15,000 in raw materials, becomes unusable waste. Meanwhile, parallel processing lines handle cocoa beans through similar precision grinding, creating cocoa paste that must achieve identical particle sizes to blend properly. The cocoa grinding operates at different parameters: 2,100 RPM at exactly 113 degrees Fahrenheit, because cocoa beans have different oil contents and hardness than hazelnuts. Quality sensors measure particle size every 30 seconds, and if measurements drift outside acceptable ranges, automated systems shut down the entire grinding operation instantly. Here's where everything can go catastrophically wrong: the blending phase. The hazelnut paste, cocoa paste, powdered milk, sugar, palm oil, and lecithin must combine in exact proportions while maintaining temperature control across the entire mixture. Industrial blenders the size of swimming pools mix these ingredients, but the process generates enormous friction heat. If the temperature exceeds 140 degrees Fahrenheit, the sugar begins to caramelize, creating bitter compounds that will ruin the entire batch. We're talking about 8,000 pounds of ingredients worth $75,000 that can become unsaleable waste in under 2 minutes. Temperature sensors throughout the mixing chamber trigger emergency cooling systems, but sometimes it's already too late. The mixture has passed the point of no return, and 8,000 pounds of what should have been Nutella becomes expensive compost. But when everything goes right, what happens next is industrial poetry. The mixture enters homogenization machines that apply 4,000 pounds of pressure per square inch while maintaining exact temperature control. This isn't just mixing, it's molecular restructuring. The pressure forces oil molecules to coat every particle of cocoa and hazelnut, creating the smooth texture that makes Nutella spreadable. Industrial pumps push the mixture through gaps just 0.1 millimeters wide, smaller than the thickness of human hair. The sheer force breaks down any remaining particles and creates a suspension so stable it will maintain its consistency for months. What emerges from this process looks like liquid silk, 12,000 pounds of perfect Nutella, flowing like a chocolate river into cooling chambers. The scale is staggering. This single batch will fill 48,000 individual jars, and the facility produces 12 such batches every day, 365 days a year. Even at this late stage, disaster can strike in ways you'd never expect. Quality control teams hunt for the invisible enemy: metal contamination. Industrial metal detectors scan the flowing Nutella for particles as small as 0.8 millimeters, smaller than a pinhead. These microscopic metal fragments can come from anywhere: worn grinding stones, damaged pipes, or even workers' jewelry. A single undetected metal fragment means the entire batch gets rejected. But worse, it means potential lawsuits and brand damage that could cost millions. Lab technicians also test for something called bloom, a crystallization defect that appears weeks after production. If palm oil ratios are even slightly wrong, white spots will appear on the Nutella's surface, making it look spoiled even though it's perfectly safe to eat. Consumers reject bloomed Nutella instantly, so batches showing early bloom indicators get destroyed before they ever reach stores. The final scale reveal happens in the packaging hall, a facility the size of 6 football fields, where 2,000 jars per minute get filled, sealed, and labeled. Robotic arms move with surgical precision, filling each jar to within 2 grams of target weight. The glass jars themselves are manufactured on site, in furnaces that reach 2,100 degrees Fahrenheit. Because transporting empty jars would be economically impossible at this scale, each jar gets laser etched with production codes that track everything back to the original Hazelnut shipment. The logistics are mind-bending. Finished Nutella leaves the factory in trucks carrying 26,000 jars each, with 847 trucks departing daily to supply just the European market. A single day's production requires 47 tons of hazelnuts, 23 tons of cocoa, and 156 tons of sugar. But the risk doesn't end at the factory gate. Temperature fluctuations during transport can still cause separation, turning perfect Nutella into expensive waste. Every jar of Nutella represents a victory against the invisible enemy that lurks at every step: the relentless forces of chemistry, physics, and time that want to turn precision into chaos. From that desperate wartime experiment in 1940s Italy to today's global industrial empire producing 365,000 tons annually. Nutella's success isn't just about taste. It's about conquering the impossibly narrow margins where perfection lives, where a single degree or second can mean the difference between success and catastrophe. The next time you open a jar, remember, you're holding the end result of a process so complex, so precisely controlled, that it borders on the miraculous. In a world where most things break down, Nutella represents something rare: human ingenuity winning against entropy, one perfectly smooth jar at a time. If you enjoyed this deep dive into industrial precision, hit subscribe and let us know in the comments what other everyday products hide complex manufacturing secrets. Because in the world of mass production, nothing is ever as simple as it seems.